The last train out of Fulchester before the rebuild. This is what's got to be packed away. Hours and hours of work. Not wasted because I've enjoyed it. But nevertheless, a lot of work building it and a lot of work taking it to pieces and packing it away. But I think the new layout will be even better. Well, I've got my book of track dimensions. I've got my planning sheets. They go various designs. I've got my drawing instruments. I've got my good old wooden imperial scale rules. So now, I'd better get on and do something, hadn't I? So now, I've got to get on with the planning. Make sure that I'm happy with the design of the layout, and then the not so pleasant job of taking it all to pieces, packing everything away, and then making a start on the rebuild. The rebuild I'm looking forward to. The packing away, I'm not. But it's got to be done. So I hope you'll come back whenever I get a little bit further and see the progress. So don't expect me to be back next week. Bye bye. Bye bye. This is a bit of an outtake. I've just watched the videos that I took earlier on, and I realised that the whole time this toilet roll was on my desk. It's alright, I'm not sitting on the toilet. It's because of coronavirus and I need to blow my nose in it. So anyway, cheers. Bye bye.